Top 5 Homemade Fruit Fly Traps to Catch Them. Are you tired of fruit flies invading your kitchen? Do you want an effective and easy way to get rid of them? Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Fruit flies may be a major annoyance, particularly in the summer. The top 5 do-it-yourself fruit fly traps that are simple to create and efficient at getting rid of fruit flies are shared in this video. Apple Cider Vinegar Trap. Place a drop of dish soap and apple cider vinegar in a little container. Put plastic wrap over the jar and use a toothpick to make a few holes in it. Fruit flies are drawn to the smell of apple cider vinegar and will enter the jar, but the dish soap will prevent them from leaving. Red Wine Trap. Put a drop of dish soap and some red wine in a little jar. Put plastic wrap over the jar and use a toothpick to make a few holes in it. Fruit flies are drawn to the smell of red wine and will enter the jar. However, the dish soap will prevent them from leaving. A piece of ripe banana should be put in a jar and covered with plastic wrap to create a banana trap. Use a toothpick to make a few holes in the plastic wrap. Fruit flies are drawn to the aroma of ripe bananas and will enter the jar. However, the plastic wrap will prevent them from leaving. Fruit and Vinegar Trap. Put some ripe fruit and some vinegar in a jar. Put plastic wrap over the jar and use a toothpick to make a few holes in it. Fruit flies are drawn to the aroma of ripe fruit and vinegar, and they will enter the jar even if the plastic wrap will prevent them from exiting. Wine Bottle Trap. Add a little wine or vinegar to a wine bottle. The narrow end of the paper funnel should be facing down and placed in the bottle's top. The funnel will allow fruit flies to enter the bottle, but they won't be able to get out. We sincerely hope that these easy-to-make fruit fly traps will help you get rid of fruit flies. To keep fruit flies out of your home, keep your kitchen tidy and free of any ripe fruits. Comment below if you'd like to know how to make an electronic fruit fly trap using just simple materials found around your house. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like and share buttons, and check back for more cleaning and pest control advice. I appreciate your viewing.